Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anastasia Puspa, and here I will presentation about Indonesia still import waste. Developed countries exported garbage to developing countries. In developed countries such as America, Germany, and France, garbage are exported to developing countries, one of which is Indonesia. In some cases, there are already rules about the ability to import the garbage, but the garbage referred here is a garbage that is non-B3 or non-material dangerous and toxic. However, the garbage that they export to Indonesia is in the form of plastic waste. There is one fact that Indonesia is the second largest after China about plastic waste procedures to the sea. Of course, the import of garbage is very detrimental to Indonesia, especially for our environment. What is the danger of imported waste? Do you know what are the dangers of B3 waste? The first is the poison contained therein that will harm the environment and living creatures that exist. And the second danger is the increasing amount of waste in the country. And then the third danger is the presence of microplastic that is waste in the river, and the environment can affect the human body because it is difficult to break down. And the last danger can be influential in the tourism sector because of the many waste that polluting the environment and make the scenery is not very satisfied. This is the reason Indonesia is still importing garbage. First, for industrial raw materials, and the second, increase foreign exchange. Talking about the reason for the first thing is to fulfill the needs of the industry. The garbage referred here is the waste garbage used paper to be processed. Then after processes in the export again to the country. In fact, in Indonesia itself has the raw materials of the industry, but not managed properly and not enough to meet the needs, so that imports of waste. Nowadays, there is B3 plastic waste smuggling or toxic dangerous substance. Of course, the waste is very polluting environment. For the second reason, the import of garbage can increase the foreign exchange. For this reason, is it true that the result of export that is agreeably high enough to increase the foreign exchange of our country? Although it can add foreign exchange, but in the presence of smuggling cases and lack of control of garbage to Indonesia, can cause losses, especially for the environment. How is the solution? The first, to tighten the check for the import of garbage, and then some containers that carry waste garbage B3 have been sent back to the country. And the second, in handling this case, the government held a garbage bank program. The garbage that has been parsed in the transported to the trash bank, not to the landfill. And then the plastic processing industry and paper will take the raw materials from the garbage bank, so no longer needs to import the garbage. In conclusion, to minimize the existence of B3 garbage smuggling, Indonesia no longer need to import garbage, because Indonesia has a lot of problems related to garbage. It is hoped that we as a citizen Indonesia are participating in helping Indonesia free from the garbage problem, and we can start with the most small thing. We as citizens of Indonesia can help the first by reducing the use of plastic waste, styrofoam, and others, and then the second by separating organic and non-organic waste in their respective place. Those are some of the ways we can help Indonesia become a clean and comfortable country, with the solution that the government is expected to overcome the problem of waste smuggling it. And then thank you for watching.